Right, a couple of things to worry about through the rest of the day and through tomorrow morning. The good news is we've started to see that snow, again, for snow lovers at least, we've started to see that snow slowly work its way east. It was mainly in our western spots and then mainly at the coastline for a period of time. We've seen it slowly inch its way into the area. We've seen a little bit of accumulation outside of the station with some snow active right now from our WRAL Gardens camera. And then from Carr Lake, we've seen a good bit of snow throughout the day as well. You can see some snow accumulating on the sides of the roads there, top of buildings. The roads don't look too bad out there, but you could see some slick spots throughout the rest of the day today and into tomorrow morning as we are very cold. So any snow that does fall will accumulate through tomorrow morning. So over Sanford, all the way through the Triangle, including Durham, western portions of, let's see, the western portion of Raleigh through Cary, Apex, up through Morrisville, seeing some of that snow right now. And then we have another band of snow closer to the area of low pressure that's just offshore. That's bringing a good bit of snow from Wilmington all the way through New Bern, Greenville, and it continues to work its way north along the coastline and will continue to do so all the way through tomorrow morning. So there's some drier air in the middle of that, but we are finally seeing some snow over Wake County. Just exiting Fuel Wave Arena now, Holly Springs seeing that snow, Apex, again, the western side of Raleigh. So if you're really back towards Cary, Apex up through Morrisville, Chapel Hill seeing snow, Durham, parts of Wake Forest as well seeing snow, Creedmoor, and just west of Lewisburg. Not getting too much in Lewisburg right now. Nashville, you saw some just a bit ago, but that's moving to the north. That does not mean you're done with snow whenever you have a dry pocket, because this is a very broad system and it will take a long time for all of it to exit the area. Yanceyville towards Roxborough, Oxford, Henderson, Stem, Creedmoor all seeing snow right now, and we could have some heavier bands mixed in that'll accumulate pretty fast on our roads and sidewalks and such. Sanford, Carthage, Southern Pines, Aberdeen, all seeing snow right now. Siler City, you've seen it for quite some time, and it's slowly working its way north and east back towards Edgecombe County and moving through Enfield, Roanoke Rapids as well. Areas towards the coastline will likely see the most snow throughout the day today. Futurecast, this is starting at 3:30. So as I mentioned, we could have some breaks here and there. The driest air is in between two systems. So you can see up through Cumberland County, through Clinton, up through over towards Fayetteville as well. And you can have all those spots that could see some breaks in the snow for maybe brief periods of time, but it will slowly fill in into this evening as these systems get closer to each other. That moisture fills in as well. By 6:15, it's starting to close that gap overall, kind of starting to work its way together. But it's now seeing snow over parts of the Triangle, South Hill, Roxborough, over towards Goldsboro as well. And it continues to fill in by around 7, 8, 9 o'clock this evening. So even if you haven't seen any snow right now, you'll likely see at least some sort of snow throughout the course of the day today as these systems continue to work closer to each other. That low will eventually move offshore, the upper level low. And so we'll have some more moisture that moves in and some more snow. Southern Pines, you can see by 10:15 still seeing snow. It continues to work south and east through the afternoon. This is to the early morning hours, I should say, into Sunday morning, 1:45 a.m. It's moving south and east. It doesn't exit till around 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. The wind chill right now is in the single digits, 5 in Raleigh, 6 in Roxborough, 9 in Fayetteville, feeling very, very cold out there. We have an extreme cold warning in place for tomorrow morning, and the reason for that is we could see wind chill values below 5 degrees below zero, so negatives for wind chill values across our area. Around 1 for our wind chill tomorrow morning in Raleigh, even lower amounts to the north. 2 for our wind chill tomorrow morning in Fayetteville. It's going to be feeling very, very frigid stepping out the door if you have to go outside at all. So again, as we've mentioned several times, the warm hats, the gloves, the multiple pairs of pants if possible, all of it's going to be needed tomorrow morning. We finally start to warm up into Monday and Tuesday, at least for our afternoons. Still frigid Tuesday morning, but back in the mid 40s by Tuesday. The warmth will be welcome because it has been very cold over the past week.
Yes, it will be.